like shape over here, right? That skinny or tiny over here on the middle. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are doing a new series, and this time we are doing a lingerie panty haul from Shein. So if you are interested what I got from Shein, then please keep on watching. In today's video, what I'm gonna be showing you guys is an affordable, sexy, see-through lingerie panty haul from Shein. And we are talking about G-strings collection, see-through, transparent, sheer panty, thong-like lingerie. So if any of those are your sort of stuff, then please keep on watching. So you guys, this is our very first online shopping from Shein. Actually, this has been a long time purchase of mine. I have a busy schedule and personal stuff are a little bit also very busy these days. So this is my first time of doing, like, you know, doing makeup right now. more better in camera. I have a new lighting as well. This is from Underwear Lighting Video LAD, so you can see that the lighting is better, and I am filming at night. Okay, so if you're interested with, you know, reviewing this light, I think this is very good. What do you think? Does my lighting improve? I think so, right? Anyway guys, so I've been doing this online shopping from Shein for a long time, and all this lingeries are in a discount. So I was lucky enough to get all of these. I have a bunch of them. So for now's collection, I'll be talking about two. All right, so let's dig into the first one. Ta-da! Look at that. It even has a pouch, right? Isn't that wonderful? I hope the background noise doesn't pick up with my camera right now. Oh, camera, my mic. I hope so. So I'm using mic to prevent the background noise. I hope our video is better. I hope we cannot have any copyright. Anyway guys, so this is our very first collection. So this is in a pouch like this. Prices under 100 pesos. Yeah, it is in a discount, so budget friendly. I did have a cost saving purchasing this. If you are a first time purchaser from Shein, you get, I think you have a free shipping. So I got one. There is a code that you have to enter when you are a first time shopper. So I did that and I got a bunch. So yeah, let's let's move on to the first one. Okay, so this is in a pouch like this, like that. Okay, so really nice, no? Very social. I like it. Let's first get into the first one. Oh wow. This big size, huh? Look at that, guys. Do you see what I'm looking at? I think so. I guess the Shein sizes are big, you know. Look at that. I think I got this in small, medium or small. I think with their sizes, I think they have a bigger size. Look at that band, right? Yeah, look at this, guys. Look at all the details. You get flower here. No, a bow here, and then you got a, you know, pearl in here, and then you got a lace over here, bam, and then on the, like, the back side of it, bam. Look at that. G-string, your right collection, of course. Look at that, guys. See through. Makita kaya pa yung kaugmaon. Diba? Nice true, guys. Very intricate. Look at that. Very social. I believe for me, it looks like it's very durable. Shein kasi, no, very much more costly, about more than what I get used to in Shopee. So this time the Shein is durable, guys. That's why that's why their prices are a little bit more. I can tell the quality is really really different. You got a hardware in here, like a gold plated one here on the both sides here and there, right? And pearl. This is very very unique. Look at that. Ay nako. And look at that, guys, the bottom side. Bam, bam. Look at that. Save the best for last. La 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 la. Ay, nako. Baka na juga sometimes the snow comes down in June. Diba? Nice, no? Right. I really like it. Very light also material. And the back, guys, very sexy. This is very, very fun, no? Bridal lingerie, it could be because it got a lace in here, you know. If it's a lace, for me it's bridal lingerie, diba? All right, so that's it. I believe this is around 76 something. I will leave it here somewhere on the screen, the price of this collection. Okay, all right, so far, do you like it? I like it. Wow, it's unique. I haven't got any design like this, so this is a good one. A good one. All right, guys, so are you interested for our second collection? Sorry if I am being rusty, right? It's been a long time, guys. It's been a long time. I think it's been yeah, over a month now. The last time I did was I was in Bantayan Island, no makeup and everything. I will leave it on the screen. What video was it? Yeah, that was it. All right, so our second collection is this. Cheddar. It's still in the pouch. You got the Shein here, see, emblem, right? Shein. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in here, slide. All right, I hope I will not get the same design, no? I hope not. All right, guys, it's about the same. Oh, oh wow, still G-string collection, you guys. Look at that. It's, oh wow, this is different. The size really comes in big. For a medium, I think for me I think this would fit me, but if you are a very small petite one, I think this comes bigger in size. Okay, so probably like European size, I believe. Yes, like because the Shein not Shein, the Shopee comparison, the sizes for that is very tiny, so very petite, very more onto the Asian sizes, whereas this one, the Shein, it's more like the European probably like size, I believe. Yeah, so maybe like this one would maybe a 3 or 4, I think, right? So if you are a US, so it's 3 or 4. Okay, so let's dig into the lingerie. Okay, so this is kind of unique. Look at that in the very frontal side. Look at that. Bam. See, look at, you get a lace in here, of course, another see-through lace pa more. All right, so yeah, very sexy, you guys. And look at that. And the back side. Look at that. Oh, this one has 2 like strings, so yes, G strings, right? Yeah, this is so cute, you guys. If you have the body, like the shape, very curvaceous body, this kind of a size, quite unique. The front is quite different. It's very different. I just don't know how I could really present to you like very nicely in this film. It's really better when you have like a model to wear this one, right? Wait, I want to make justice with this lingerie. Okay, so let's really dig into this. I hope that would, you can see it like so, right? Look at that. The front is really cool. Really nice, you guys, right? Lace, G-string, yeah, thong like, right? T-string, right? T-string, T-string style or design. You got a hardware here, gold plated, and the front is just a bow, right? Okay, and the lace, of course, triangular like shape over here, right? That skinny or tiny over here on the middle, or like your you know, this one over here for your labutch. All right, okay. All right, so you guys, I'm very surprised. This comes out really nice. I like it so far. So in this two of mine, which one do you prefer, or which one do you like the best? Prices for this is very budget friendly, so you have no problems with this. And if you're interested, what like the type on the screen, okay, review this video, I'll put it there, okay, for review. So just make sure you read the caption and also the price for all of this collection. So this is it. This is my Shein lingerie panty haul for today. I hope you like my video today. I hope you enjoy, and if you have more suggestions, comments, whatever it is, comment down below. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Until then, bye.